Welcome to Tech Quest X, where we make tech clear and show what it means for your role. Everyone's fixated on AI replacing jobs, but the real shift is already here. A quieter, more profound transformation unfolds unseen in many industries. It's not about AI eliminating tasks, but changing human work itself entirely. Ignoring this quiet transformation is the fastest way to build technical debt. People are no longer doing every task themselves, but rather directing it. This isn't just a developer concern, it directly impacts product managers and security teams. Instead, they are guiding intelligent systems, setting precise parameters and intent. Humans are now reviewing AI-generated output, critically checking for accuracy and bias, and coordinating complex workflows, ensuring AI truly aligns with business goals. This requires new skills, demanding deep critical thinking, not just execution. But this shift also means some roles are quietly becoming obsolete. Understanding which ones, that's next. Building on how AI reshapes roles, let's explore the profound shift from doing to directing the work itself. Historically, professionals directly executed tasks like writing reports or complex code. Now, AI tools rapidly handle these very same, often repetitive functions. The human role pivots. We define the precise objective, not the execution steps. Next, we give the AI clear, detailed instructions and refined prompts. Then we meticulously evaluate the results generated by the AI for accuracy and quality. This critical evaluation isn't just for developers. It dictates business agility and compliance for legal teams. The work shifts from manual production to a role of direct supervision. Unlike a straightforward analogy, this requires a fundamental paradigm shift in skills. Blind trust in AI output is a recipe for disaster. But how does this new human AI workflow actually function day to day? Before we discuss directing AI, now let's explore how that direction actually happens. This new human AI workflow isn't linear, it's a continuous loop. A human always initiates, defining the core objectives. Then they inject the specific critical context. Next, the AI steps in, generating a draft or solution. Critically, human oversight isn't optional, it's foundational. The human then reviews the output of the AI, pinpointing issues. This isn't just a developer concern, it's vital for project managers, defining acceptance criteria, and for security teams, validating generated code. Instructions are refined, leading to the next iteration. The system cycles, constantly improving through feedback. Work transforms into a dynamic partnership, not a solo task. Building on that iterative human AI workflow, a critical new role is now taking shape. Professionals are becoming direct managers of these intelligent tools. This means deciding precisely how AI capabilities are deployed and integrated. It also involves, crucially, rigorously verifying the outputs of AI, not just accepting them blindly. Crucially, the human in the loop retains the absolute final decision-making authority. Blind trust in AI is a critical mistake, creating more problems than it solves. The value of human work shifts dramatically from mere raw output generation. It's now focused on deep contextual understanding that AI simply cannot grasp. Also, evaluating the quality and nuance of AI-generated content becomes paramount. Ultimately, humans guide the entire end-to-end AI-driven process strategically. This isn't just a developer concern, it fundamentally reshapes how PM teams define success metrics and how legal teams assess compliance. Understanding this shift redefines where true professional leverage lies. Fundamentally, the teams truly winning with AI, they aren't simply adopting it, they're mastering its intelligent oversight. We're moving from manual execution to orchestrating intelligent systems, a profound shift. Success now means strategically guiding the outputs of AI, not just accepting them blindly. This isn't just a developer concern. Understanding the limitations of AI impacts strategic project planning for PMS. It means knowing precisely when AI is confidently wrong, guarding against subtle errors. Your competitive edge won't be outcoding AI, but intelligently directing its capabilities. Integrating AI into complex roles like DevOps requires rigorous validation. Premature trust can be costly. And here's the truth. The true value of AI isn't its intelligence, but your intelligent oversight. Thank you for joining this deep dive into managing AI. If this resonated, Please hit like, share your biggest AI management challenge in the comments, and subscribe for more clear tech insights. Grab the full Managing AI playbook with actionable strategies. Link in the description below.